What's up, guys? We're in the middle of a snowstorm, and I'm trying to keep the content coming to you guys, but content that you can use. And this is going to be another product review, another unboxing. Right now, I'm going to unbox these bad boys. You can see that. Let me try to get this shadow out of the way here so you can check that out. There we go. I'm going to unbox these bad boys. All right. The Fluff for You, CALI, COLLAGE, whatever the hell these slippers are called. But anyway, these are UGG slippers, all right? Before I unbox it real quick, I had to get a couple of shoes that were comfortable. I already showed you, well, damn, it's dark over here. Okay, I already showed you the video with the UGGs that I have on right now, all right? I had to get these shoes because my feet were swelling up so bad, right? I had to get these shoes that basically have Velcro straps on them. They're black. I don't know how well you can see them here. You can see the Velcro straps. They're basically senior citizen shoes that slide right on your feet. Wide, comfortable. I had to wear those. But in the process of finding shoes that were comfortable because my feet was in such pain and the swelling was so bad, my wife bought me a pair of UGG slippers. She tried to buy me something that was more comfortable for my feet. So here you guys go, unboxing. Bam. These are the UGG slippers. I just stuck these back in there just so you can see how they kind of semi-came packaged. But this is it. That's it right there. Right? Nice little, I don't know, Bengal tiger, camo, stripe. I don't exactly know what you call that. But they draw attention. I wear these out in the street. The girls, first thing they do is look down at these bad boys like, who that there boy? Who that there boy wearing those? But yeah, these are really comfortable. Go to UGG right there and get a close up. These are really comfortable. I'm doing this product review not to show off that I have UGGs or whatever. It's no big deal. But these are the most comfortable slippers or slides, as they want to call them, that I've ever had. Okay. It has, that soft fur-like feeling in it. Sweat absorbent. Your foot doesn't sweat in this. As a matter of fact, if I could find the tag here where it speaks on all the features of the slipper. If you can look at that there, you can freeze the video and look at some of the features there. You can freeze the video and look at some of the features. All right. Some of the features being, it's kind of waterproof features. Not that it's waterproof, water resistant. It's rated to weather to below 20 degrees, whatever. They're comfortable, they're warm, they're sweat absorbent, they're shock absorbent. They're stylish. May not be your cup of tea, but when I had them on with this jacket, it definitely drew attention. All right? So they're comfortable, they're stylish. You can wear them outside with some socks on. Of course, not now, in the middle of a snowstorm, but if it was dry conditions, you could easily wear this outside with a pair of socks and your feet would be perfectly warm. It'd have that little slight ventilation coming through there. But other than that, your feet would be warm. Nice solid sole, It's not flimsy at all. It doesn't flex. Let me get it on the camera. It doesn't flex that easy when you push it in. It's just like a shoe on the bottom and a slipper on top. Now these retail for about $100. Are they expensive for slippers? Slight maybe, but expensive is just a matter of your income. If you getting it, $100 ain't nothing. Even if you're not getting it, what I've come to learn is that, man, you have to value your feet, man. You got to take care of your feet, man. So to me, I don't care what it costs to keep my feet comfortable, keep my feet dry, keep my feet healthy. I don't care what it costs, because that's your foundation, man, is your feet. So, yeah. My product reviews aren't that long because I don't know all the technical aspects of this slipper. You can go on their website. My wife likes to get a lot of this stuff out of the UGG closet. That's where you get the discounts at. These retail for $100 or more. And of course, she didn't pay that for these out of the UGG closet. She got them for less. Do I recommend them? Yes, I do. They're comfortable. They're stylish. They're warm. They resist water. They resist sweat. You know how normally a lot of times your foot will be, if you're in slides or slippers all day, your foot will get sweaty and start sliding around in there. Not with these. You can wear these all day and your foot stays dry. No sweat, no nothing. All right? So yeah, these UGG slides, slippers, whatever you want to call them, you can get them out of the UGG closet or the UGG website. If you go check in the UGG closet, things are probably a little cheaper there. UGG just doesn't advertise the UGG closet. Like if you go on Uggs.com, you have to type in UGG closet separately. Yeah, and I want to give a shout out to my man Tariq, man. Critiquing me in the comment section. That's my man, though. I asked him to do that, and I love him for that. You don't want people around you that's just going to kiss your ass and sell you flowers. So that's my man. But this is actually his thing. He's the sneaker king. He's the guy that, out of our group of friends, paid the most attention to what he had on his clothes, or what he has on his. I'm speaking like if he's dead. He's well, he's alive and well and healthy. So I might convince him to do his own channel of product reviews on shoes and things like that, because he's a real collector and connoisseur and way more knowledgeable about this subject than me. But once again, guys, I'm going to cut this short. A lot of you guys don't have no patience. You don't watch no more than 2-3 minutes of certain videos anyway. And one other point I want to make, just like it seems like in life, YouTube has categories, right? And what I'm seeing and hearing from a lot of other YouTubers and content creators is people seem to want to keep you in a box. Like if you talk about bikes, they just want you to talk about bikes. If you're in the cars, they just want you to talk about cars. If you're reviewing sneakers, then your whole channel just got to be about sneaker reviews. I'm a human being, guys. I'm very versatile. I have a diverse background, growing up. I lived overseas. I was a army brat. Me and my family was in the military. I lived in a few different states. I grew up middle class. I grew up poor. I grew up upper middle class. Okay, so I've had a varied interest, across the board, musically and everything. I don't just listen to rap, hip hop, R&B. I'm into rock, jazz, blues, disco, on and on. And my interests vary. So this channel has been up for about 2 months, and in this time, I'm really using this channel to also not find myself, but see where my tastes tend to go and the direction that I want to go in my life. But it also highlights my varied interests. And if you feel like people should be robots and stuck in one category, only deal with one thing, that's you. But I don't want to limit people like that. I don't want people limiting me like that. In the near future, I will separate it, just because people seem to be simpletons like that, and make separate channels based on things like this. Like it'll be a product review channel, a channel based on music where I'm reviewing albums and songs. Another channel where I'll be DJing, So because it seems like people don't want to accept a human being in different facets. They just want you to stay in one lane. So if you're one of these people, hey, and one of my subscribers that, subscribed to me for sports that I did, and now you're seeing product reviews, you're seeing reviews on bikes, you're seeing different things, social commentary. Well, I'm human. So I'm exploring a lot of things with this channel in the first couple of months, and I will narrow this channel back down to its original purpose of bikes, motorcycles, cars. It's just that I had a serious injury over the winter time, and or serious illness. Couldn't go out and do no riding, nothing like that. So in the near future, the Rant Roller channel will be more focused on bikes, motorcycles, and cars, and my other interests and things that I find important to me. I'll split them up into other channels because it seems like people just that's what they expect. All right. So once again, if you're looking to purchase these, well, I'm not getting paid for product reviews. This is just something that was purchased for me. Well, I'm fighting shadows here. This was something that was just purchased for me. I'm doing it up close. So if you want to order these, you can go on the website and you know exactly what to type in. All right. Once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was informative to you. Would I cop these again? Absolutely. I'm thinking about getting them in another color. All right. They have like a bangle, not a bangle, but an orange tiger stripe looking one. You know, I might cop that one, man. They're comfortable and nice. All right. Peace.